So my truck's getting the diesel exhaust fluid heaters replaced. And Denoyer gave me this 18 Chevy Volt with like 28.5 on it. First day I was getting like 50 miles per gallon because the batteries were all charged and everything. Then I depleted the batteries. And then, just curious, I reset the trip. And now I'm getting like 44 miles per gallon. With just gas to the generator to the motor. Really, the only thing I don't like about this is it's kind of low to the ground compared to my truck. It's kind of hard for me to get in and out of this thing. But it rides nice. It's just, I like it. If it was lifted like my truck, I'd probably buy one. But it's not, so fuck it. I can't wait to get my truck back.